Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Bosch AquaStar 125B tankless water heater is not producing hot water, delivering inconsistent temperatures, or showing signs of poor performance, there are several basic checks you can perform before considering repairs. Like many tankless systems, the Bosch AquaStar 125B tankless water heater depends on proper gas flow, water pressure, ventilation, and clean internal components to operate correctly. Even a minor issue in one of these areas can affect performance. Fortunately, many common problems can be identified through a few simple inspections. In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that may help restore normal operation to your Bosch AquaStar 125B tankless water heater. Try these. Step 1. Check the gas supply to the Bosch AquaStar 125B tankless water heater. Step 2. Verify water flow through the Bosch AquaStar 125B tankless water heater. Step 3. Clean the inlet filter on the Bosch AquaStar 125B tankless water heater. Step 4. Inspect venting for the Bosch AquaStar 125B tankless water heater. Step 5. Check indicator operation on the Bosch AquaStar 125B tankless water heater. Step 6. Test hot water output from the Bosch AquaStar 125B tankless water heater.